In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Dairy Queen gift card. Whether you want something instant for a last-minute gift or a physical card to tuck into a greeting card, I'll walk you through the options so you can choose what works best. The fastest path is online through the official Dairy Queen gift card page. Once you're there, you'll see two choices: an e-gift card delivered by email or a physical card sent by mail. Pick the format you prefer, then choose the amount. Common options include $10, $25, or $50, though availability can vary. For an e-gift, enter the recipient's name and email address carefully. Because delivery is instant, a typo can send it to the wrong inbox. For a physical card, provide the full mailing address exactly as it appears for postal delivery. Pay using a debit or credit card, then look for a confirmation screen or email. E-gift cards typically arrive right away, sometimes within a minute or two. If it doesn't show up, remind the recipient to check spam or promotions folders. Physical cards are shipped, so allow mailing time based on your location and the option you selected. If you're gifting in person, consider sending the e-gift to yourself first so you can print it and hand it over. If you prefer to buy in person, you can visit a Dairy Queen restaurant or participating stores like certain grocery chains, convenience stores, and other retailers that carry gift cards. Head to the counter or the gift card rack, ask for a Dairy Queen gift card if you don't see it, choose the amount offered, and pay at the register. You should receive the activated card immediately. Before leaving, make sure the card packaging is intact and keep your receipt in case you need to resolve any balance questions later. You can also find Dairy Queen gift cards at select third-party retailers. Availability varies by country and location, but some electronic stores and dedicated gift card sellers carry them. The process is similar. Pick the card, choose an available amount, pay at checkout, and keep your receipt. A few final tips to make things smooth. E-gift cards are best for instant delivery, while physical cards are great for a traditional gift. Most cards work at participating Dairy Queen locations, but acceptance can vary, so it's smart to confirm with your local store if you're unsure. Always choose the card that matches your country or region, since gift cards are typically region-specific. And no matter where you buy, save your proof of purchase until the card has been used without any issues.